Yes, good morning to the soon-to-be people that will be my subjects. My name is Evil Bird, and I am upon my assistant's back. I am looking around at the room that I stay in. Soon this will develop into the world domination, and y'all will be my subjects, and you will do what you have to do. I like this man's ruby. I want it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Take the ruby. Yum, 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 yum. I eat rubies for breakfast. I eat rubies for lunch. I'm just a ruby guy, all in all. Now that I've eaten part of his ruby, I'm ready again to survey. Look at my spike. It's a spike of respect. Do what you need to do and enjoy yourselves. Soon you will become dominated by Evil Bird, and there shall be nothing that you can do. And I am the Evil Bird. Look upon me, and look upon my associate on the back, behind me, on the door, atop the door. He will do my bidding also. Two people today, tomorrow the world. I will attack as I do.